Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. We have been given that ABCD is a square of 12 centimeter. P is the center of the circle and the circle touches AB then and also passes through C comma D. We have to find out what is the area of triangle PDC. I will repeat. We have ABCD a square of 12 centimeter. P is the center of the circle passing through C comma D and having AB as the tangent. We have to find out the area of the triangle. Now how to solve this problem? Let's go ahead and try to solve this. The first point we have to understand is that whenever we have been given that P is the center of the circle and we know that PD equals to PC, let us say we'll just join it here with the same color if I draw. This is another point, let us say F and let us join it to the other side. Say this is E. The first thing we know immediately is P is the circumcenter of the triangle. So we can write down P is circumcenter. Why P is circumcenter? Because we know PF is equal to PD is equal to PC. Now what is circumcenter? Circumcenter is point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. That means we know these two are equal and divided at 90 degrees. Now what is dP? We don't know. So let us say dP equals to x. So I'll write down, or R we will say. If that is R, then we know this is also R. Now 12 is divided into two parts, so we know. So this is 6 and this is equals to 6. Now what is the logic we are going to use to solve this problem is, we are going to calculate this length EF. I can find out EP by Pythagoras theorem and PF equals to R, but that should be equals to 12 centimeter, which is equals to AD or AB or BC or CD, because we have 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So that is the logic we are going to use to solve this problem. So I will write down the logic we are going to use is EF is equal to AD, because ADEF is a rectangle. Now let us try to get the values here. EF equals to EP plus PF, that is equal to AD. AD is 12 centimeter. But what is EP? EP is coming from Pythagoras theorem, that is square root of R square minus 6 square plus R is equals to 12. Let us simplify this. We'll write down square root of R square minus 6 square equals to 12 minus R. Now let us square it on both sides. We will have R square minus 36 is equals to R square minus 24R plus 144. Now let us try to simplify this. We can cancel out R square on both sides and try to simplify that. We will have 24R equals to 180. That means R equals to 7.5. So R is equals to 7.5 centimeters. Now once we got R value, how to find out the area? For that we can write down, let me take another color. We can write down that area is equals to half into base is 12 into height. Height is PE. What is PE? Let's find out what is PE. We'll write down here PE equals to square root of R square minus 6 square, that is 7.5 whole square minus 6 square. Simplify this, you will get 4.5, because that is 13.5 into 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5 into 9, that is 1.5 into 3, 4.5. So PE equals to 4.5. So we can substitute here half into 12 into 4.5. That is 6 into 4.5, which will give you 27 cm square. So our answer, area of the triangle, is 27 cm square. Once actually you find out R, then everything becomes pretty easy, because we know this is 4.5 and this whole thing is 12. So we know half into 4.5 into 12 will give us the area as 27 cm square. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been given that ABCD is a square and P is the center of a circle which is passing through C and D and tangent to AB. So by saying tangent, we know these two angles are 90 degrees. By understanding that P is the circumcenter, we know that PE is perpendicular to CD and PE divides CD into two equal parts. Now we can see that ADEF is a rectangle. That means AD should be equals to EF. But EF is EP plus PF. EP is coming from Pythagoras theorem and PF equals to R should be equals to AD, that is the side of the square. Simplify that, we get R equals to 7.5. Then area becomes pretty formality, half into base into height, half into 12 into 4.5, you get 27 cm square.